Welcome to Carlton Motor Company. Today I'm going to show you this 2019 69 Volkswagen Crafter CR35 Startline. It's the medium wheelbase, high roof, 2 litre engine, 140 PS. Let's take a look. So this one's direct out of the leasing company. It has full service history with it. It's had a recent cam belt done as well for peace of mind. Inside the cab, very clean seats, upholstery, all the floor, immaculate as you can see. You've got your DAB, USB, it's start, stop, a stunning example. Really is a lovely van. If you would like any more information on this one, please feel free to speak to Nick or Chris. Thank you.